Okay, guys, so if you want to know how I make the glowing effect in Flip, okay, bro, get this stupid. Alright, anyways. Okay, so let me just go to, like, I don't know, like some episode of Powered or whatever. I'm gonna go to episode 1 real quick. Look, right over here, as you see, Zap's eyes are glowing. So basically, this right here, I think a lot of people know this by now. I mean, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is, but, I'm doing this for the people who don't know. So basically, I just go over here, I click on that, I go to here to airbrush, and I just, boom, that's a glowing effect. Okay, I'm not ending the video on you guys. No. That's not what the true glowing effect is, okay? Now I'm sold right now. So basically, right over here, how you saw in episode 1, his eyes turned into this. He stole Santo's power, and he went out cool and looked like this. Now this looks very cool in my opinion. And this is how I did it. So basically, I just did the same thing. I got an airbrush. I did it like that. I just drawed over it during this. I literally just drawed over it. But if you want to, you can just, like, I don't know, this is how pros do it. You can just, like, make layers and stuff. And with those layers, you can make, like, a cool glowing effect. So I basically just get a bright little blue over here, a dark blue, and then just a little white, and boom, that's a glowing eye. Anyways,